Hi, Anthony. How's it going?
I'm squeak-tabulous. Do you want to build a Hot Wheels track with me today?
I'd love to.
I drew up some plans for the track.
Can I take a look?
Of course.
Wow. You really used your imagination on this, Anthony.
I sure did. Let's get to work building it. All right, we've got our super steep hill of speed, a super swirly figure 8, loop-de-loop number 1, loop-de-loop number 2, a whole bunch of superchargers, and of course, one humongous jump to the finish line.
Whew. We did it, Anthony. Great work. This is a really cool track.
Yeah, it is, and it's ginormous. I mean, look at it. It just keeps going and going and going. I wonder if this is a world record.
I think it's time to test it out.
Yep, let's do it.
First, we have to fire up all the superchargers.
I think we should test the purple car first.
Okay, Anthony, here we go.
Ready, set, go!
I agree, Anthony. That was super duper cool.
This is the most epic Hot Wheels track I've ever built.
Same here. Today has just been so much fun.
Yeah, it has. I'd say it's been the best day ever.
Thank you all so much for watching this week's episode of Anthony's Adventures.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this episode. And check out some of the other super fun episodes that we've made together.
Yeah.
We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.